Hi everyone, my name is Dara Wu and I'm an intern on the Community Cloud Digital Experience platform. Today we will be journeying together to explore what it is and why you should be using it. By the end of this video, you will not only be empowered to create your first community, but also to become a digital experience guru. Alright, so to begin, let's first talk about what the Community Cloud Digital Experience platform is and what it allows you to do. So Communities allows you to deliver beautiful, personalized digital experiences like sites, portals, and forums with clicks or code. So here we see an example of a community created for Capricorn Coffee, a mock coffee company that provides a one-stop shop for its users to view the products of the store, ask questions on discussion forums, view the previous orders, as well as the current cases. There's also an area where you can request for service, as well as a link to the actual store itself. Awesome. So I know you may be thinking to yourself, okay, this is cool, but why should I care about communities as a Salesforce admin? And to that, I'll give you 3 simple reasons. So reason number 1 is as a Salesforce admin who's already become an expert on CRM, you'll be able to expand your repertoire of skills to include being able to build digital experiences. Pretty cool. Reason number 2 is you'll be able to bring your customers closer to your company. So because of our report components, you'll be able to analyze how your customers interact with your page, allowing you to provide a branded, personalized experience. And reason number 3 is you'll be able to represent Salesforce to your digital team. So it's important to note that Community Cloud is not just a website builder. What makes it so impactful is that with Communities and Salesforce CMS, you have the tools to connect your content and CRM data directly to your digital experiences. We empower every user with clicks and code to build pixel-perfect, personalized, deployable solutions. All right, I think it's time to show you how you can create your own website that looks and functions just as well as Capricorn Coffee's. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Salesforce Setup, search for Community Settings, enable Communities, and press Save. And I've already enabled Communities, so I'm good to go. Next, you're going to want to go to the CMS homepage and press Create an Experience right here. From here, you're going to see a list of the out-of-box templates for all of the potential communities you can create. You can build a customer or self-service portal, a B2B commerce site, a partner relationship management tool, a custom experience, anything. We also support templates created by our industry solutions and many AppExchange partners. The possibilities are endless. By the end, not only will you have launched an amazing online community, but also you will have become a master in creating aesthetic and impactful digital experiences. So usually you would just click on one of these templates to get started, but in order to save time on this demo, we're just going to work off of Capricorn Coffee. To begin, let's look at the Experience Builder, which is shown here. The Experience Builder is the area where you can declaratively build your site using drag and drop components, edit your page's theme, and settings. As you see here, we offer over 60 components for various use cases, such as the CMS collection component that allows you to display dynamic collections of content or CRM data, or a feed component that provides your users with a chatter discussion board to post and answer questions. Additionally, if you need to build a custom component, we also provide you the ability to do that. To briefly summarize, these out-of-the-box and custom components are what make the digital experience platform so impactful. Most of you currently have an awesome Sales Cloud or Service Cloud product. However, you can extend the power of your product using the digital experience platform and Salesforce CMS. So after you're done dragging and dropping components and choosing your theme, you'll be able to view the live site like we have here. So as you saw before, we can actually click through the site to see what it'll look like when published. This is where we have our digital experience connected with our Salesforce CMS product for all the use cases that we have just explored, including B2B commerce, sales, service, marketing, and more. All right, so that just about wraps up our short demo. Today, we have just demonstrated how you can build mission-critical aspects of your business using clicks and code with the power of Salesforce CMS and Experience Builder. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for listening. Be sure to go out and check out our Trailheads About Community Cloud, join one of our many Trailblazer groups, and enable communities to begin. Your path to becoming not only a master of CMS, but also digital experience is only a few clicks away.